Hello everyone. Now take a section from the front and then cut it at the eyebrow level. Then on the either side cut it at the eye level, then pull a comb through and then make a diagonal cut moving outwards inside as such. Move from the eye level to the eyebrow level as such. Then take the comb, pull it through once more and then make vertical cuts in the hair. Section it out as such and then at the bottom cut it at the base of the neck. Then make diagonal cuts moving outwards as such. Make it in such a way that the center blends with the sides accordingly. Use the scissors in order to make vertical cuts throughout the sides as well so that it looks all the more better. Now pull a comb through the center and then use a hair straightener in order to make curls, and this will add volume to it as well as make it set. Next, take a small section from the front of the hair, pull a comb through it, gather it all together, twist it in the center as such multiple times, then cut it at the eye level. Once you have cut it, pull a comb through it and then make multiple vertical cuts in it. Then cut the rest of the hair at around the chin level as such. Once you do this, make a diagonal cut into it. That is, move inwards outwards as such and then keep the outer ends longer. Next, take two wooden sticks and then heat it up slightly using a lighter. Then put the hair through in the middle of it and then curl it as such. This will add volume as well as make it fall around the face very well. Comb it in place. Next, take a small section of the hair from the center, pull a comb through it. Now once you are done with this, bring it to around the eye level and then cut it accordingly right straight through. Then take one side of it along with the center, pull the comb through and then cut it straight once again till the sides. Do the same on the other side as well. Pull the comb through and then at the same level, cut it straight through. Now pull a comb through the hair and then begin to make vertical cuts in the hair so that it looks all the more natural. Do this on either side as well as the center. Make sure that no strand is left uncut. Next, take the center section of the hair, pull a comb through and then twist it once. After you have twisted it, make a straight cut right through the eyebrow level. This is what you should be left with. Pull the comb through once more and then make vertical cuts in the hair. Take another small section of the hair from either side and then cut it at the level of the chin. Now begin to make diagonal cuts in the hair so that the sides matches the center length. Now make vertical cuts in the sides as well so that it blends in better. Moving to the last section on the side, begin to diagonally cut it as such and keep going lower and lower as such. Make the bangs blend in with the hair as naturally as possible and make it into steps. Then use a hair straightener in order to puff up the hair slightly in the front and add more shape to it as well as volume. Thank you for watching.